You've never made any money online before? Do not be concerned, because I'm going to show you how to make $700 of cash in PayPal with a simple Google tool. In this video, I'm going to show you the websites you should use in tandem with Google to make money online using this strategy right now. This method of earning money is completely free, secure, beginner-friendly, and legal, and it may be utilized everywhere on the planet. So if you're serious about making money online, make sure you watch and listen to the finish to learn the particular ways, as well as all the crucial tips and tactics I address in this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congrats! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash the thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. If you don't already have a PayPal account, you should open one as soon as possible, because that's where you'll be able to receive online payments, as I indicated in the beginning. To do so, go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account by clicking Sign Up Now. Following that, you'll be directed to this page where you must select Personal Account. Then, simply fill in the appropriate personal information. And after you've done that, you'll successfully set up your PayPal account, through which you'll be able to receive payments today. For the first step, you need to go to google.com now that you've set up your payment method. This is our first and most important website for today. And as you might expect, it's on this platform that we'll use a simple Google trick today. Now you must utilize the search bar to look for terms like waterfalls or nature. In other words, you must look for great-looking images, since they will be used to make money online on the next websites that we'll discuss later in the video. I'll take them waterfalls as an example, and I'd like you to grab the best-looking photographs that are now available. But first, you must click Tools right here. Then click Usage Rights from the drop-down menu, followed by Creative Commons licenses. As a result, you are allowed to use any of these photos in any way you like. In other words, if you publish any of these pictures on the websites that we will use later in the video, you will not be charged with copyright infringement. Now keep in mind that this is a very crucial step for our method for today, so make sure you follow that instruction. After all that you have to do now is choose the most appealing images and choose the best among them. After you've chosen one, right-click on the image you want to save and choose Save Image As. Finally, you must download as many of the best-looking photographs from Google as possible so that you may publish many photos later on the next website in order to earn more money. Now let's go on to the platform which we'll discuss in further detail and for which we'll get compensated today. I'd like you to go to homepage of clickasnap.com. You'll notice this text here when you first arrive. It claims that it pays to share, but to do so, you'll see that you'll need to sign up in order to pay for your work. Now with what that in mind, you've undoubtedly realized that the photographs of the waterfalls you obtain from Google will be ones you use on this site. Then, you get paid once you've published those images on this platform. And that's all there is to it. If you have a camera though, keep in mind that you may be able to create original content and upload from there afterward. By taking images on your own, you may earn money while doing something you enjoy, which is fantastic. Now, this is how you make money from your content on this site. Users will notice advertisements on the side of their screens after you publish your materials on this website, such as these ones. The website then distributes the ad revenue to you directly through those advertisements. Shall we take a closer look at this website now? As you can see right here, each photo you upload gets you 70 cents on this well-known and commonly utilized platform. Even though 70 cents may appear to be a modest amount of money at first glance, believe me when I say it isn't. Just consider this. If 100 people view your photo on the website, the ads have already earned you $70 in passive money. And the fact that you just made $70 for doing nothing more than downloading free Google images is a huge win in the world of internet money. Keep in mind that this website receives millions of daily visitors, as you can see right here. So you almost definitely receive thousands of views every day. Consider how much money you can make if you use this website right now. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. To back up the claim that Click a Snap receives millions of views every day, visit similarweb.com and search for clickasnap.com. After that, check out Click a Snap's statistics to learn everything there is to know about them, including their visitors. As shown right here, Click a Snap receives almost 1.3 million visitors in the preceding month. This graph also shows how much the site has grown this year. As you can see, Click a Snap had over 2.75 million in May. In June, there were 2.6 million visitors. And we are now have over 1.3 million visitors. Consider this, if 1,000 people look at your images, you exactly made $700. Finally, because the company has grown significantly, now is an excellent time to start uploading images and earning money. Getting back to Click a Snap's homepage, you must click Get Started to begin earning money online right away with our method. Then, simply enter your email address and password to register. After that, click the Register button to finish the procedure of creating your own account. However, if you prefer a better sign-up experience, you can use your Facebook, Google, or Twitter accounts. This website has a tiny problem that I would like to point out. It isn't fully free if you really want a large amount of people to see your photographs. But consider this. All you have to do to get paid for views is pay €2 each month on this site, which converts to roughly $3. However, after you've done so, you'll be able to attract thousands of views, which will result in significant money and a terrific return on your website investment. I can assure you that tiny investment you make on this site will be well worth it once you start using this. Because here are the payments that I receive from Click a Snap. And if you wish to earn this sum of money, just follow all of my instructions and all the tips that I discussed within this video. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Google Tool. Once again, enter the code word Google Tool, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words and other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.